Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare radar versus Lidar. Radar employs radio waves to sense objects, providing data on their distance and velocity. Lidar, conversely, utilizes pulsed laser light to generate highly detailed three-dimensional representations of surroundings. Both are vital for modern sensing, from autonomous vehicles to industrial automation. We will explore their unique operational principles and respective strengths. Radar's primary advantage lies in its resilience to challenging weather. Radio waves penetrate fog, rain, and snow effectively. It also directly measures object velocity using the Doppler effect, crucial for tracking. Radar systems often boast a longer range, extending several hundred meters. However, its angular resolution is typically lower, meaning it struggles with fine details and precise object shape recognition. Lidar shines in its ability to deliver exceptionally high spatial and angular resolution, creating incredibly detailed three-dimensional point clouds. This precision allows for accurate object classification and environmental mapping. Nevertheless, Lidar's performance is significantly hampered by adverse weather, such as heavy rain or dense fog, as laser light scatters easily. Its operational range is also typically shorter, often around 200 meters. Ultimately, neither radar nor Lidar is inherently superior. The best choice depends entirely on the application. Radar is ideal for long-range detection and reliable operation in harsh weather. Lidar excels where high-resolution mapping and precise object identification are paramount. For many complex systems, such as autonomous vehicles, combining both technologies offers a robust and comprehensive perception solution, leveraging each sensor's unique strengths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.